Tree roots messing up your septic system is way more common than you think, and it can totally wreck your pipes or tank if you're not careful. So, here's the deal. Tree roots are always searching for water and nutrients, and your septic system is like a giant buffet for them. First off, keep trees and big shrubs at least 20 feet away from your septic tank and drain field, because roots can spread a crazy amount underground. If you notice slow drains or weird smells around your yard, that's a red flag that roots might be invading your pipes. You can use root barriers made from tough plastic or metal to block roots from creeping toward your system. Regular inspections every year or two help catch any root problems early before they turn into a nightmare. If roots do get into your pipes, hydrojetting or a professional root removal service can clear the blockage without ripping up your yard. Also, avoid planting fast-growing trees like willows or poplars near your septic area since their roots are super aggressive. Finally, don't flush harsh chemicals down the drain. They kill helpful bacteria that break down waste and can make your system more vulnerable to root damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic systems and tree roots is ignoring early warning signs, like slow drainage or soggy spots in the yard. Fix it by calling a pro for a pipe inspection before serious damage happens. Another issue is planting the wrong types of trees or shrubs too close to the septic tank or drain field, which leads to root invasion. Always check what you're planting and keep that safe distance in mind. Lastly, trying to fix root blockages yourself without the right tools or knowledge often makes things worse, so hiring a professional root removal service or plumber is the way to go to keep your system intact. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to septic systems and yard work. Plus, it helps contractors find new clients who need trusted experts for big jobs around the house, making life easier for everyone involved.